Good morning, guys. Miss you guys, and hope you guys are doing well. You guys don't understand the work that I've sent. Please reach out to me. So today we're going to talk about, or we're going to read "Turning Up the Volume." After warm-ups, the cast practices their opening song. Miss Biss can't hear the song. She needs the students to sing louder. Cut, Miss Biss says. You need to sing louder. The louder sounds will travel farther through the whole auditorium. Then everyone can hear the song. Why do the students need to sing louder? That's right. The louder they sing, the farther the noise will travel. So, therefore, the whole auditorium will be able to hear them. Miss Biss, why do we sound loud or quiet when we talk or yell? Asked Seth. Let's try something to help us understand, says Miss Biss. The cast puts their hand on their throats. Say hi softly. The cast feels a small vibration. Now say hi as loud as you can. The cast feels a much larger vibration in the throat when they yell. A soft sound makes a small vibration, and a loud sound makes a big vibration. All right, so now what I want y'all to do is I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want y'all to speak. And I want y'all to feel the vibration as you talk. If you feel your throat while you're speaking, you'll feel the vibration. Miss Biss draws a sound wave. She says, a sound wave is invisible. But if we could see them, they would look like a spring toy. The flat line means there is no sound. Then she draws a sound wave with low parts and high parts. How high the top of the sound wave is from the middle line tells us the volume of the sound. The higher the wave, the louder the sound, says Miss Biss. So, what part of the wave tells us the volume of the sound? That's right. It's the high parts and the low parts. They tell us how loud the volume is. When Rhett yells across the stage, he takes a deep breath of air. A deep breath of air is a lot of air. The big amount of air makes the sound vibrations, or excuse me, the big amount of air makes the wave vibrations bigger. This makes the volume louder. The wave would look very tall and the volume would be very loud, says Miss Biss. What causes a loud noise? That's right, the amount of air you use when you speak. So the more air you use, the louder the sound, and the less air you use, the lower the sound. And when someone whispers like Jacinda does in Act 2, the sound is not as loud. Jacinda takes a smaller breath and uses less air to whisper. This means the vibrations are not as big. The sound wave could be short and would have a lower volume. The sound is soft, says Miss Biss. So, what makes a soft noise? That's right, the smaller breath and less vibration causes a soft noise. Cynthia turns on some music to test sound volume. She turns the music up really loud. The cast can feel the vibrations from the sound waves. Please turn it down, Juan shouts. The music is hurting my ears. Cynthia turns the music down, and Juan's ears feel better. So, why does Juan want the music turned down? That's right. The loud sound is hurting his ears. Juan asks, why did my ears hurt when the music was loud? Some noises are really loud, explains Miss Biss. They hurt our ears because the vibration is too high. We should not listen to these sounds for very long. Some sounds are okay to listen to every day, like conversations or vacuum cleaners. Other noises, like rock concerts, may be too loud. We can wear earplugs to protect our ears. All right, so what are some noises you can listen to all day? And then what are some noises that are too loud? Some noises we can listen to all day is the TV that's not up too loud. We can listen to our music that's not too loud. Vacuum cleaners, people talking. What are and the noises that are too loud are loud concerts, jet engines, uh, really loud talking, and like people working construction, drilling, and jackhammering. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the questions that go along with this chapter. The first question we're going to talk about is, what is this chapter about? Is it about A, light, B, soccer, or C, sound? That's right, the answer is C, sound. Number two, what kind of wave means a sound is loud? Is it A, tall, B, flat, or C, short? The correct answer for this question is A, tall. Number three, what kind of sound does Rhett's yell make? Is it A, a loud sound, B, a soft sound, or C, no sound? That's right, when we yell, it's loud, so the answer is A. Number four, what kind of sound does Jacinda's whisper make? Is it A, a loud sound, B, a soft sound, or C, music? That's right, when we whisper, it's a soft sound, so the answer is B. Number five, it is important to know, or excuse me, what is important to know about this chapter? A, the students need to learn to vacuum. B, listening to loud music is good for my ears. C, some sounds are not safe to listen to. That's correct. The answer is C. Some sounds are not safe to listen to. Okay, so now we're going to answer the next set of questions. Number one, Miss Biss needs the students to blank louder. They need to talk louder. Number two, louder sounds will blank farther through the whole auditorium. That's correct. They will travel farther. The cast feels a much blank vibration in their throat when they yell. They feel a much larger vibration. A blank means there is no sound. If you remember back in our story, a flat line means there is no sound. How high the top of the sound wave is from the middle line tells us the blank of the sound. That's correct, the volume.
How high the top of the sound wave is from the middle line tells us the of the sound.
Number six, how does Rhett make a sound with his voice? Or excuse me, how does Rhett make a loud sound with his voice? A, bigger vibrations, B, deep breath, C, hitting a drum. The correct answer is A, bigger vibrations, and B, deep breath. They're both correct. Number seven, how does a sound wave look when Jacinda whispers? Is it A, tall, B, short, or C, flat? The correct answer is B, short. Number eight, what hurts Juan's ears? A, illness, B, people talking, or C, loud music? The correct answer is C, loud music. What noise can hurt your ears? A vacuum cleaner, B, a rock concert, or C, talking? The correct answer is B, rock concert. Number 10, how can we protect our ears from loud sounds? Is it A, people can wear earplugs when they are around loud noises? B, people should not listen to loud noises for long periods of time? Or C, people should wear glasses? There's two correct answers on this one. That's right, both A and B are correct. People can wear earplugs when they are around loud noises, and people should not listen to loud noises for a long period of time. And that's going to conclude our reading and our questions. The next video we're going to talk about is math.